stakes IPO, which is open at this moment, is eliciting a lot of response from a lot of investors across investor categories. It seems to be a much hyped IPO. It's got a top grading from the rating agencies. It's definitely a positive issue. It's after a long wait that the market's getting an issue which is worth investing in. Most of the positives are already in the public space. It's got the first mover advantage. It's going to be the first listed stock exchange in India. It's in the commodity segment, which is relatively nascent in India and therefore very scalable. If you look at the technology platform it has, it's definitely got a big rung up above its competitors. So there are a lot of positives for this issue, all of which is already there in the public space. But the interesting thing is there are certain red herrings which need to be noted before making an investment in this issue. I think the biggest concern around this issue is the fact that this will not be listing on the NSE, and I repeat, it will not be listing on the NSE, which is a premier exchange. Most of the business today is done on the National Stock Exchange, and institutional investors definitely prefer investing at the NSE rather than the BSE. Then you have the fact that it will also not get the same kind of F&O platform that the NSE stock gets, and that could also hamper price discovery in the longer term. The other concerns being the fact that being in the commodity space, which is still looked with a little bit of suspicion by regulatory authorities in India, that there could be regulatory issues which could hit it at some point in time. There is also the broader concern that whereas it's the undisputed market leader today, that there are other players in the space and the segments could start getting competitive. There are the price as far as the price of the issue goes, I think it's fairly priced. I wouldn't say it's underpriced. At the same time, it's definitely not aggressively priced. At the top end of the band, which is where I believe the book will be closed, you have a PE multiple of about 19 for 5,000, so for the financial year 11-12, and if you take a forward PE for 12-13, it works out to around 15, which makes it par for the course. There is definitely going to be a listing pop. There will be a scarcity premium because of the limited number of shares offered and the huge kind of euphoria that is surrounding this issue at this point in time. But in the longer term, I would urge investors to take their profits and watch this stock a little more carefully, because we do not concur with the 5 on 5 ratings. There are red herrings and those need to be noted carefully.